Even though these are beautiful pieces of art, they're constructed in a way that if you put trucks and wheels on them, you can kickflip it or you can, cruise down the road with it. My name is Dior. I'm a multidisciplinary artist, a skateboard instructress, and a youth advocate. I've always been around woodworking, cedar wood flutes, cedar wood, so I really feel this connection to the tree's life, before it became a skateboard, before it became a piece of lumber. Truly, when that wood's in front of me, it's alive still able to tell me how it wants to be used, how it wants to be decorated and adorned. I love doing commissions because it gives me kind of a look into other people's passions, their lives, their story, but they are trusting me to capture their vision and put it onto a skateboard, and I think that's pretty honorable, It's a skateboard, but it's a skateboard that I see a bit of my community and I see myself with, and I think that creates a lasting memory.